Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gardenscapes. This delightful game combines match-3 puzzles with garden renovation. Your main goal is to restore a beautiful garden to its former glory. You'll complete challenging puzzles to earn stars, which are then used to perform various tasks like planting flowers, fixing fountains, and adding decorations. The game features a rich story with many characters, including your butler, Austin, guiding you through the adventure. To master the puzzles, focus on creating powerful boosters. Matching 4 items in a row or column creates a rocket, while 5 in an L or T shape gives you a bomb. Matching 5 in a row or column creates a rainbow blast, which is incredibly useful. Combining these boosters, like a rocket and a bomb, creates a larger explosion. Always check your objectives and plan your moves carefully to clear levels with fewer turns. Your garden is your canvas. After completing puzzles, you'll earn stars to perform renovation tasks. These tasks range from planting new trees and flowers to repairing broken structures. Each task offers 2 or 3 design choices, allowing you to customize your garden's look. As you progress, the story unfolds, introducing new characters and revealing more about the mansion's history. You'll unlock new areas, expanding your beautiful green space. For tougher levels, strategically save your boosters. Don't use them all on easy puzzles. Keep an eye out for special in-game events. They often provide fantastic opportunities to earn extra coins, boosters, and exclusive decorations for your garden. Connecting with friends can also be very beneficial, as you can exchange lives and send each other gifts, helping everyone progress. Remember to spend your coins wisely on extra moves when you are close to winning.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.